Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyla Chanell. This is an easy, beginners friendly slay, okay? So hopefully you can rewatch this tutorial and learn a little bit of some. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below if you love this look, like this video, and hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new slay for you. I did this beautiful, easy, beginner friendly look using my two eyeshadow palettes. It's in the style Essential Bronze and Essential Browns. And then we also did a pop of color at the bottom portion of my eye using my neon loose pigment set. You get all 12 colors for a small price. The lash I am wearing is in the style Hustle. It is a wispy lash with like some gaps in between so you can see your beautiful eyeshadows. I use my brow pencil, my concealers, okay? They are available on my website at www.tylerchanel.shop. Go ahead and look around, slay with me, okay? Because I got some product on there that'll blow your mind. If you like what you see, we're gonna get into the slay right now, baby. here's the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoy using my products to achieve this beautiful, beautiful eye. Hopefully at home you all can redo this. Easy, super easy look, using 2 palettes of mine, some essential browns and bronze gold color, and then my neon 12 set loose pigment pack. Okay guys, so make sure you head over to www.tylashanell.shop and order your products today. Okay, happy slaying.